back to Eli's Adventure Channel. In today's video, we will be drawing a cute hippo. We can get our supplies ready. We need paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something to color with. Markers, paint, pencil crayons, anything you want. I will wait for you here to grab your supplies and join me in this drawing. Amazing! Now that you have everything ready, let's start drawing. And remember, we always start with a pencil, that way in case we make a mistake, we can always erase it and we don't waste any paper. First, I will be drawing a half circle right here for the head and joining it with a curve outward. And then another half circle sideways, and another half circle on the other side. And then we do a little curve just like this. And you see how I drew this extra line here? I don't need that, I am erasing it. Perfect. From here, I will be drawing the mouth area and the little teeth, and then you see where the cheeks are? I am imagining there is a line here, and I'm going to draw a little curve just in that spot in the middle. From here, I am going to draw the eyes. Here we go. You can make them look a little bit more oval than circle, up to you. And I'm drawing a circle inside for the highlight, that way we don't color this area. And then some eyebrows. And from here, I am drawing the ears. Kind of looks like a triangle with curved edges. Amazing. And I'm also adding this detail here. And now we are drawing the nostrils. So we're doing a circle and then a curved line up, a circle and a curved line on top. And now we will be drawing the body. So just from outside where the teeth are, I'm drawing a curved line down and another one on the other side. And then I am also drawing curved lines inside. It looks like a V now. And I can connect those lines here. Perfect. Here I am drawing some half circles for the nails. Amazing. And then I will be drawing an oval shape just outside the two legs for the back. And now for the back feet, I am drawing two circles attached or ovals attached to the front legs. And here I'm connecting them with a line and a line, and same thing here. And then we are again drawing half circles on top and a little circle inside or oval inside. Amazing. Now I'm just drawing some details. Perfect. We have our hippo outline here with us. And now we can start coloring it. I am using a light pink first. It looks a little orange now, but when it dries, it does dry pink. My markers are a little weird. So I'm drawing the inside of the ears first with the pink. And then I am drawing the ovals inside the feet, also pink. And then the belly area. Amazing. And now I can start using my gray for the rest of the body. And remember, when you are coloring, always go around the edges first, outlining it carefully. That way you can get a clean color on your drawing. There we go. Very carefully doing the outline. And then I can start filling it in without having to worry about the edges. And go around the eyes. That way the eyes stay clean. And remember, you can pause the video at any minute if you want extra time for your coloring. Great. And we are leaving the teeth white. Same thing with the nails, we are leaving them white, so we are outlining around them. Something here for the feet. We are leaving the nails white. We are drawing very carefully, or coloring very carefully around it. Amazing! Now that we have the gray color done, we can start using our black marker to do the outline, which is my favorite part. I'm starting with the eyes and I'm drawing a circle around the highlighted area. That way I don't fill it in accidentally. The sun is beautiful. And the eyebrows, the ears, great! He looks so cute! Amazing! And now here's an extra tip for you. If you want your drawing to pop, you can always grab a bright color and outline again around the black area. And that makes your drawing really pop. Make it bright and very cute to look at. See how I'm just following the outline? Great! See how cute that looks? Amazing! And as always, at the end of each drawing, you have to write your signature down. So you can write your name down. I am writing Eli's Adventures. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you join me again for another video next week. Thanks so much. Bye!